In this video, we're going to be looking at how to fix Android system UI has stopped error. So let's just get straight into the video. So normally fixing the system UI has stopped error on Android involves clearing the system cache, updating apps, or addressing storage issues. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first thing, what you want to do is hold the power button to restart. If frozen, hold the power and volume down button simultaneously. If that is not the case, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings. And finally, head straight into apps. And then you want to look for the triple dot option, or even look at the default apps that are going to be the applications here from the system. And simply go ahead and clear cache on things like browser apps, or even the applications that might be having problems. So for example, there could be battery usage problems from a couple of applications like calendars and so on, where you can simply go ahead and force stop or disable and so on. So the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and free up storage. So in order to go ahead and do so, just simply go ahead and head into your storage right over here. And finally, this is where all the categories are separated. You can simply go ahead and separate apps and so on. And whatever you might not need can be uninstalled directly from here, or even cleared cache. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.